Hey there, Gigsters, back at it again with another video. Today we're talking about the 5 ways that you may have missed that you can be making money through CashApp. Tip 1. Register to earn $5. By initially signing up for CashApp, you can earn $5. Just make sure to receive your free code when joining and complete your first transaction within the first 14 business days. Tip 2. Earn cash card bonuses. Activating the free CashApp Visa debit card spending booster can help you get free earnings and receive discounts to some of your favorite retailers. Tip 3. Earn money with social media contests. Do you have a high number of followers? Well, if so, you can use $CashApp when making a post to earn additional cash. Tip number 4. Invite new users. This is one of the most popular ways to get money on CashApp. What's nice about it is how simple it is. Even new members can get in on the action. Just simply use the invite link to earn $5 for each friend or family member who joins the app. Tip number 5. Build profit from Bitcoin Boost. Use the Cash App's Bitcoin Boost feature to get free Bitcoin, which you can either keep or sell for a profit. Bitcoin Boost can help you get started with crypto investments while allowing you to make free cash. But wait, there's more. As an added bonus, if you're really interested in getting money out of Cash App, consider investing in Cash App. If you're interested in stock trading, investing in Cash App is a smart approach to make even more money. Best of all, there's no commission required, and you can begin investing with as little as $1. Well, that wraps it up for another video. Again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And check out other videos and links in the description box to learn more ways to make money. Thanks for watching. See you soon.